Our world is in the midst of significant ecological and social transformation. We all have a role to play in helping to navigate this transition. Big Bloom is a global initiative that helps corporates around the world to accelerate social innovations by mobilizing their employees. We organize hackathons for good. These collective intelligence workshops bring diverse corporate employees together to work in mixed teams on the strategic challenge faced by a non-profit beneficiary organization. In this way, Big Bloom is a fertile encounter between the corporate world and the non-profit world. For the corporate employees, the hackathon is a learning experience. And for the non-profit beneficiary organization, it is an accelerator for their impact. Join us and help empower non-profit organizations tackling some of society's most critical challenges. Big Bloom. Learning better by doing good.